important to know whether the person you believe to be your twin flame is really the one. There are many confusion in people about twin flame, and they just make the mistake of believing a wrong person to be their twin flames. So here are the signs of false twin flames which are very important to know. Sign number 1. A false twin brings up issues of the past. When you are clearing karma with a soulmate, you will find that the issues arising largely have to do with the past mistakes, anxieties, fears, or concerns. With your twin flame, your issues will be more about what's going to happen and how to fulfill your complete purpose while alive. Sign number 2. A false twin will teach you how to help yourself. A true twin will teach you how to help others. False twins come into our lives when we need to become self-aware and create change for ourselves. True twins come when it's time for us to extend our powers out and start creating change in the lives of those around us. Sign number 3. A false twin's commitment will fade when challenges arise. A true twins will strengthen. Something that ultimately separates the false flames from the true ones is that the false ones will fade. When you challenge one another and have disagreements, their true commitment will be revealed. Ultimately, they or you will walk away because it's too hard. A true flame will be willing to endure anything to be with you. Sign number 4. A false twin will make you anxious. A true twin will feel like family, like home. There will be a certain degree of comfort with your true twin that is not present with a false one. They will feel like your best friend, as though you are finally coming back home after all this time. Sign number 5. Your relationship with a false twin will always be in confusion. Your relationship with a true twin will be clear, even if it's not always easy. The twin flame relationship is almost always categorized by a sort of back and forth, breaking up and then reuniting later. However, with a false twin, those breaks will be longer and more severe, and when you reunite, it will only be for a short period of time and it won't end well. Sign number 6. Your false twin will bring up intense feelings of doubt. Your true twin will bring you complete certainty. One of the biggest signs of a false twin flame is an ongoing and intense uncertainty. Though so many aspects of your relationship will seem like everything you have always looked for, there will be something in your mind and heart that questions whether or not this is really it. That won't happen with your true twin, at least not as much. Sign number 7. Your false twin will come to you at a time in your life when you need to be awakened. Your true twin will come when you need to ascend. Though the two terms can be used interchangeably at times, being awakened is beginning to recognize your inner power, and ascending is beginning to actually use it to create. Sign number 8. A false twin will require you to hold on firmly or wonder about whether or not you are meant to be. A true twin will make their intentions clear and immediate. A false twin will always seem to be just a little out of reach, and you will have to hold on just a little too tight to keep things going. With a true twin, the relationship is natural and effortless. Sign number 9. A false twin will give you false hope. You will be surprised to find that they move on to other relationships so quickly or treat others as they treated you. And a true twin flame relationship will be not like this. You will be heartbroken to discover that your false twin seems to have these magical connections with other peoples that are not you. It will be clear that your true twin has never had a relationship even close what you have together. Sign number 10. A false twin will be threatened by your success, and a true twin will be inspired by it. False twin flames are of course very similar to you, and you will probably be drawn to each other because you are so much alike. However, when you start to see success, a false twin will make you feel guilty for it or think they are losing something. And a true twin won't only be completely thrilled by you, but they will be playing an integral part of what's helping you succeed. Sign number 11. A false twin shows you what you need to change to survive, while a true twin shows you what you need to do to thrive. A false twin flame will be the very beginning of your awakening process. They will reveal to you old wounds, patterns, and habits that are really holding you back. Your true twin flame will not so much show you your leftover pain as they will help you to see what it would take to live a completely aligned and abundant life. Sign number 12. A false twin inspires you to awaken alone, while a true twin relationship makes you to do it together. One crucial difference between the two is that the false twin relationship tends to only awaken one of the partners, and the true twin relationship awakens both at the same time. Sign number 13. You and your true twin will have a similar and exact vision for your lives. Your false twin will always seem to be slightly on a different page than you. You don't have the same long-term vision, or at least you can't seem to happily compromise for the other. Sign number 14. You will wonder why your false twin flame relationship is happening to you. You will be certain of the purpose of your true twin flame relationship. With your false twin flame, you will wonder why you are experiencing so much pain. And with your true twin flame, you will understand that sometimes discomfort is crucial to growth, but that ultimately you are working on yourself in order to be better for your relationship, the people around you, and of course, yourself. Sign number 15. Your false twin will use excuses like timing and wanting to be young and free to avoid being more committed to you. Your true twin relationship will happen in spite of anything that could stand in the way. There is no barrier, no time constraint, no plan or preference that would make a true flame not be in a relationship with you. And that in the end is how you really know the difference.